Good morning guys, and in front of me is MatePad 11.5 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So once your device is stuck for some unknown reason, you cannot do anything and you wish to perform a soft reset, all you have to do is to tap. Let me just switch the position. All you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button. So just tap and hold. Oops, one more time. Keep holding. And once you see the logo, if you have your vibration active, you will also feel a smooth vibration. Just remove both fingers from both buttons, so both from power button and volume down button, and wait till your MatePad is rebooted. Now provide your PIN code and start using your device in a normal way. It should work properly right now. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.